a bizarre and tense moment was caught on camera. A poor cow was found with its head tightly wedged in the fork of a massive tree. The animal looked panicked, unable to move an inch. Seeing the struggle, a man arrived to help. But he didn't come empty-handed. He brought a chainsaw. Slowly but surely, he begins to cut through the wood with extreme precision. One wrong move could be fatal for the cow. You can practically feel the tension in the air. And finally, the cow was free from the tree without any injury.